Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Azka Ramadan. I am from 2C class, major social science education. Sharif Hidayatullah State Islamic University, Jakarta. In here, I am would like to address a topic of hostatory exposition on the importance of Islam's role in preventing social defense. The importance of Islam's role in preventing social defense is a crucial topic to consider in today's modern society. Islam, as a religion that teaches values of unity and justice, can serve as a primary pillar in addressing social issues that threaten societal harmony. Through religious teachings that emphasize tolerance, goodness, and justice, Islam can be a strong guide in preventing negative behaviors such as violence, racism, and intolerance within society. By applying Islamic principle in everyday life, we can create an inclusive, harmonious, and mutually respectful social environment, which can significantly reduce social deviation that undermine the stability of a community. Therefore, it is important for us to understand and approach the role of Islam in preventing social defense in order to achieve a just, peaceful, and equitable society. The importance of Islam's role in preventing social deviance cannot be underestimated. Islam teaches values of unity, justice, and tolerance that serve as foundations in addressing social issues that threaten societal harmony. Tolerance and mutual respect are key in preventing conflict and dispute that can potentially lead to social divisions. Additionally, practice such as zakat and charity strengthen social responsibility and concern for others, which directly relate to preventing social deviance. Social injustice often serves as a primary trigger of deviant behaviors, and by upholding social values, community can build equitable justice and reduce the risk of social divisions. Islam also emphasizes the importance of strong and harmonious families as a preventive measure against social deviance. Stable and happy families provide a moral foundation and positive values. These individuals are more likely to steer clear of social divisions. Education in Islam is also crucial, not just in academic aspect, but also in morals and ethics. With proper, with proper education, individuals can understand the true values and act in accordance with Islamic moral principle, thus preventing social deviance. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, serve, serve as a role model followed by Muslims with a life character by justice, compassion, and responsibility. This exemplary model inspires Muslims to intolerance, feature, and avoid negative behavior that may lead to division. Overall, Islam plays a significant role in preventing social deviance through its values of unity, justice, tolerance, social responsibility, strong families, good education, and the exemplary life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as a foundation for maintaining societal harmony and sustainability. Given the importance of Islam's role in preventing social deviance, we must ensure the implementation of Islamic values in everyday life. Through strong religious education, we can build a deep understanding of Islamic teachings that promote tolerance, justice, and unity. Additionally, supporting and strengthening the family as an institution that upholds Islamic values is an important step in preventing social deviance. The government and educational institutions should also incorporate Islamic moral and ethical education as an integral part of the school curriculum to develop strong character and avoid deviant behavior. Furthermore, Islamic community and organizations should actively engage in social and educational activities that promote Islamic values, which can prevent social deviance. By involving the entire society in these efforts, we can create a harmonious environment and prevent the occurrence of damaging social deviations.